That was fun. Let's see if we can crank it up. D major to E major, 1 bar of each, all right? We're moving. This is a nice clip. 1, 2, E major. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's climb up. Next time through half notes. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time through quarter notes. Quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time 8 notes. And 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and now go. If you're up to it, 16th notes. I mean, you're already halfway there. All we have to do is add the upstroke. Let's count the first. 1 E and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a ready and a go, yeah. We're cooking. Back to whole notes, yeah.